everyone, today I'm gonna be discussing you how the Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm works in a minimal spanning tree. So there are two popular algorithms for finding this minimum distance, which is the Kruskal'S algorithm and the Prim's algorithm. So let's find out first the Kruskal'S algorithm. It builds the spanning tree by adding edges one by one into a growing spanning tree. Kruskal'S algorithm follows greedy approach, as in each iteration it finds an edge which has least weight and add it to the growing spanning tree. So how Kruskal'S and Prim's algorithm works? So it falls under a class of algorithms called greedy algorithms that find the local optimum in the hopes of finding a global optimum. We start from the edges with the lowest weight and keep adding edges until we reach our goals. So there are a few steps for finding the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal'S algorithm. So let's apply those steps in this example. First is find the edge with the least weight and highlight it. For this example graph, I've highlighted the top edge from A to C in red because it has the lowest weight, which is 1. So step 2 is find the next edge with the lowest weight and highlight it, which is the 2 that connects the C and E. So next step is continue selecting the lowest edges until all nodes are in the same tree. So the next lowest edge is 4, but we are not able to connect this because if your choice completes a cycle, discard your choice and move onto the next lowest weight, so which is the 5 that connects A and B. The next is the 6 that connects B and F, and last is the 9 that connects E and G. So the finished minimum spanning tree for this example will be look like this. Next is we're going to use the Prim's algorithm. So Prim's algorithm also use greedy approach to find the minimum spanning tree. In Prim's algorithm, we grow the spanning tree from a starting position. Unlike an edge in Kruskal'S algorithm, we add vertex to the growing spanning tree. So in Prim's algorithm, we also have steps to follow to find a minimum spanning tree. So by considering also the example we used in the Kruskal'S algorithm, so step 1 is choose a random node and highlight it. So for this example, I'm choosing node C because in Prim's algorithm, we will start with an arbitrary node, it doesn't matter which one, and mark it. In each iteration, we will mark a new vertex that is adjacent to the one that we have already marked. So the step 2, find all the edges that go to unhighlighted nodes. For this example, node C has 3 edges with weight 1, 2, and 3. Highlight the edge with the lowest weight. For this example, that is 1. Step 3 is highlight the node you just reached. In this example, that is node A. Step 4 is look at all nodes highlighted so far. In this example, that's A and C. Highlight the edge with lowest weight. In this example, that's the edge with the weight 2. Step 5, highlight the node you just reached. And the step 6 is highlight the edge with the lowest weight. Choose from all the edges that number 1 is from all of the highlighted nodes, and number 2, reach a node that you haven't highlighted yet. Let's proceed to the step 7. Step 7 repeats step 5 and step 6 until you have no more unhighlighted nodes. So for this particular example, the specific steps remaining are: A is highlight node E. Next is highlight edge 3 and then the node T. Highlight edge 5 and then the node B. Highlight edge 6 and then node F. Last is highlight the edge 9 and then the node G. So the finished graph will look like this, the Prim's algorithm.